Welcome to DSS online class. I am Fatma Anjum, your English teacher. I hope all are fit and fine. Today I am going to read new chapter, My Elder Brother. All of you watch it carefully and all of you read it also. Now let's start. My Elder Brother. This short play is about two brothers who are affectionate and respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning from our day-to-day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi Bade Bhai Sahab, written by Munshi Premchand. Affectionate means loving, experience means knowledge. Scene 1. A hostel room. Two brothers, aged 9 and 14 years, sitting at a study table. The elder brother, Bhaiya, is reading a book and the younger one, Munna, is drawing pictures of birds and animals. Bhaiya, what are you doing? Munna. Munna, I am drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Munna, turning pale. I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Turning pale means frightened or afraid. Foundation means solid base. Firmly means strong. Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Bhaiya, you know, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Wonder means feel curious. Tremendous effort means hard work or lot of effort. Munna, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard money. Munna starts crying on being scolded and sobbing sounds wah 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 who are heard. Prefer means choose and repeating means to do any work. Repeating means to do work again and again. Munna, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya, now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. Time schedule. 6 a.m. Wash your hands. Have your breakfast and sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. English. 8 to 9 a.m. Maths. 9 to 9:30 a.m. history, 3 to 3:30 p.m. then after school, 5 to 6 p.m. grammar, 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition, then dinner, 8 to 9 p.m. translation, 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi, 10 to 11 p.m. other subjects, and then to bed. Munna, but when is the time to play? Bhaiya, play? What is the need? Munna, oh, I love the green field, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and hoo-doo-doo sounds of kabaddi, and the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. Gentle breeze means light wind. Scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. Bhaiya, alas, I have failed once again. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while, in a gulli danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiner will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. Munna, oh Bhai Sahab, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the 9th class now. But I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Bhaiya, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. Munna, thinking aloud, thank God, it was time for school or else the scolding would have gone and on. Successful means achieve and instead means in place of. Spare means extra and scary means frightened or fear. Punctuality means being on time and scolding means to angrily talk to someone. Or to speak to someone angrily. Scene 3. The results were out once again and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now became gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Munna, talking aloud, I am lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly, he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Bhaiya, catching hold of Munna's hand, aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in the 8th class and are not studying in a lower class? if you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Munna, really bhaiya, is that true? Grab means to catch anything, or you take it or pick it up suddenly, and ashamed to feel shame. Bhaiya, yes, there are thousand things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? Munna, I don't know, Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. Bhaiya, I had expected this answer. Now, Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Munna, with tears in his eyes, Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. I hope all of you understand it. So read it carefully. Thank you.